Now for this hour's car review, I had a chance to drive the 2022 Ram 1500. Available trim levels are the Tradesman, the Lone Star, the Rebel, the Laramie, the Longhorn, and the TRX.
The hot rod.
Which is what I had. The TRX Crew Cab 4x4. This is a standard pickup truck. Well, really, I don't know about standard. In size, maybe, but that's about it because there's nothing standard about this. It is a half-ton or 1,500 style pickup truck. Has 4 passengers and a driver. Exterior changes from last model year. This model was all new in 2021. This is a bad-to-the-bone hot rod with a Hellcat engine in it. Now, if you're not familiar with a Hellcat engine, I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. Exterior features, functional hood scoop. Body panels on it are 8 inches wider than the regular Ram. This is a beast. 35-inch tires with 18-inch beadlock wheels, which are optional. Optional full-length rock rails, 5-inch dual exhaust tips. What I liked is 32 inches of water fording.
Nice.
And in Houston, Texas, we need that, especially in the spring. 13 inches of suspension travel. This is
in Houston, you need that, especially in the spring when they're doing all the road construction.
And potholes. 13 inches of suspension travel. Friends, that is a off-road vehicle by any stretch of the imagination. Interior highlights, 12-inch touchscreen. It absolutely kills it. The best in the business. One of the most detailed, luxurious interiors available. Some of it optional on the TRX. I'll tell you about more of that in just a second. More options on the top of the trim levels. TRX has its own detail, making it extremely distinctive as a TRX. Cargo and trunk room. If it won't fit in the truck bed, use the rear under seat storage because there's tons of it under there. They've designed this thing that you can pretty much move your entire house in the back seat of the car.
I was going to say, and anything you put in the bed of the truck, if you're out banging on it, it's just going to come flopping out of the truck anyhow.
Yeah. Well, this happened to have a trifold tonneau cover on it. What I liked about it, everything. What could use improvement? Nothing. Don't touch it. 6.2 liter supercharged V8, turning out 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque.
Wow. Is that enough?
Through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating is 4 tons, 8,100 pounds. Haul rating.
That's a big tow.
Yeah.
It is a big tow.
Not a pinky.
No. And has nothing to do with a camel either. Haul rating is 1,310 pounds. What I liked about it, well, I didn't like the gas mileage on it, but, you want horsepower.
You don't buy something like that for fuel economy.
Right. So in the city, it's rated at 10. On the highway, 14 for a combined of 12. I got 13.1. I only floored it one time. And that was over 176.5 miles. And I'm being honest. I only floored it one time. Pardon me?
176 miles per hour?
I traveled over 176.5 miles. You weren't paying attention. So I start calling you Mike Mars too? Ride and handling. With all the suspension travel, you can imagine the thing rides wonderfully. What could use improvement? A small step stool to get into it.
Yeah, quite large to get in.
With 36-inch tires on it, you gotta be a long-legged
and
or a
that
step
travel
stool.
And the suspension.
Yeah, it's awesome. It is an awesome truck. I will tell you that. And yes, it beats the snot out of the Ford Raptor.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
And you just had that recently too.
I had the Bronco Raptor.
Bronco Raptor. That's what it was.
And hey, that's a great vehicle, not to knock it at all, but I'm telling you, you want some horsepower, you want some fun in your truck, well, this will do it. It had options on it. I've got a time here to read some of the options on it. It had the trailer tow group for $295. These are extras now.
Like you're going to tow a big trailer with that truck.
Bed utility group was
Quickly.
$945. The TRX carbon fiber package, which included several things, $1,295. The TRX Level 2 equipment group, leather trim bucket seats, ventilated front seats, wrapped driver and passenger assist handles. It just goes on and on and on. That was a $10,000 bump up. It also had the trifold tonneau cover in the back, and the price on that was $695.
That's actually a pretty good price.
Yeah, they're about that.
Considering
anyways.
what you're going to pay for it to get it put in as an
Aftermarket.
aftermarket.
Yep.
Yeah.
Black powerful trailer tow mirrors, $445. TRX exterior graphics by Mopar, got to have that, $495. TRX hood graphics by Mopar, $895. Trailer reverse steering control, that's pretty cool. That's only $500. But I will tell you, some of the graphics, I'm one of those very clean, naked kind of paint job guys.
Sleeper looking.
I don't want any of the fancy stuff on it, so you can save yourself several $1,000s without all the stickers on it. But that's just me personally. Okay, so pricing. The base trim price is $80,585
For a base TRX.
for the base TRX. For the prices tested, it was $98,780. Okay, $100,000 truck. Base model price. You want to get into a Ram pickup truck?
56.
$39,200. But there's no comparison. Okay, as far as comparison is concerned, the only thing that I could come up with was the Ford F-150 Raptor, and it starts at $65,840 with the twin-turbo V6 in it. This had 700 horsepower. The twin-turbo V6, what has it got, 400? Something like that. Chevy, GMC do not offer a hypo off-road racer. Neither does Toyota or Nissan in their half-ton pickup trucks. So, if you want a hot rod, ladies and gentlemen, plop down $100,000. Go get yourself a Ram TRX. All right.
Cool.
Hey, a reminder that the In Wheel Time Car Show streams on the iHeartRadio app and Facebook, YouTube, and InWheelTime.com. 30-minute podcasts are available from your favorite podcast provider. The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show continues right after this quick break.